What's up guys, welcome for MBK Siders and this is Maltish BK. In this video I'm going to show you how to install these LED indicators for RC200. This is the indicator which I bought from the Amazon.com. Previously I uploaded a video about the unboxing of this indicator, so you can watch it out. So why I'm showing the installation, because there is no option to install like these indicators in the RC200 front side. So I have a better idea. What you need to do is take a spoons like this which I'm showing in the video. So cut the upper part of the spoon because it's not useful. So you can use any cutting tool like axle blade or a soldering gun, which I'm using in the video. And after finishing off your cutting work, so you need to shape the object so that it should look good. And guys, you can follow me on the Instagram at MaltishBK and Facebook page called MBK Siders. I mentioned the link of them in the description box. You can go there and follow me guys. So if you want me to upload videos like this, so I need a support. That means you need to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon too, because you will get a notification of my new videos. Expand that hole a little bit bigger so that indicator has to fit in that hole as you are seeing in the video, and do that for another one. So it looks like this guys, and you need to take some extra wires. So the given wire is not enough for wiring purpose, so you need to take some extra wires, and this is optional guys. If you want, you can do this. The plastic one which I have taken is white color, but I need a black one, so I'm taping it out from the black insulation tape. As I said, this is totally optional.
Perhaps the most famous classic. Perhaps the most famous classic.
Now I'm gonna show you how to install this for bike. First you need to remove the mirrors by unscrewing the 4 screws and disconnect the indicator plugs which will be present at the bottom of the mirror holder. So this is an important thing guys. Where I'm fixing this indicator is here, over here, which you can see in the video. I'm not altering my making hole or anything like that. I'm just unscrewing the given screw there and placing the indicator and tightening the screw. This is what I'm done. You can watch it out clearly in this video guys. So this is how it looks when you fix the indicator. Now it's time to wiring. So these are the 2 plugs of the indicator. One is belongs to the left indicator, one is belongs to right indicators. So what you need to do is take a wire. So the important thing is how to find out the positive and negative. The same color wire which are present at both of the indicator wire. I mean common color wire indicates that it is a negative, and the different color wire indicates positive. This is the simple concept, guys. And now I'm simply checking that it's working or not. So after your confirmation, take a wire neatly and clearly inside the doom and fix to the two wires of the indicator and tape it out neatly and place inside that hole and fix the mirror. And there you go.
Perhaps the most famous classic.
And guys, if you have any queries regarding this, you can use the comment box, or else you can contact me on the Instagram and the Facebook page. I had mentioned the link of them in the description box, guys. And one thing, an important thing is, don't cut any wires of your bike. It may harm or it may damage to your warranty. So after fitting once or twice, you check the indicator. And one important thing is, tape the all jointing wires carefully, guys, because it may lead to short circuit. So finally, how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe my channel and share this video to the people who actually need this. And see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye.